Hi everyone, my name is Shanitria. I create content here on YouTube to help hair companies create graphics for their businesses. If you're interested, I will link my website as well as some of my previous work so you can check it out. But in this video, I wanted to go over one of my clients' websites. I'm so excited about her website and I had so much fun designing it. So I can't show her information just yet because she hasn't completed everything on her end. So her website isn't technically launched right now. So we are waiting for a few things so I can add that to our website, but for the most part it's completed, and I just wanted to share her website because it was just so much fun. For those of you who are wondering, the website platform that she chose was Wix. I will say that this is my second time actually building anything on Wix. Obviously the website that I showed you on YouTube was my actual first time being on Wix, and so working with her was my second time using Wix, and I must say I actually really love it. So my client knew exactly what she wanted as far as the color scheme, her target audience, what it was that she was trying to convey, and I find that that makes it so much easier. So if you are working with someone who's designing your website, or just anyone who has taken on that task of helping you with your website, make sure that you know exactly who your target audience is, know what your colors are, know exactly what you want to convey, because I find that it just makes the final product so much better. So based on the things that she knew about her target audience and what she wanted to convey, that was what I created for her site. She wanted something very classy, timeless, just something that over the years, as trends change, it'll still be something that will fit and, meet her need. I have a few other websites that I'll be showing you of past client work that I've done, just to give you guys some ideas or inspiration, I don't know, but I love her website, and I wish her nothing but the best. I can't wait to hear more about the success of her company in the future. So I will do an updated video showing her company and just putting it out there so you guys can support her. And if you're wondering, I will list the contacts that I'm wearing in the description bar. I wanted to do something a little different, so this is why I have them in. They're pretty comfortable. I will also have the eyelashes that I'm wearing in the description bar for anyone who wants to know. If you do, I got them from the beauty supply store. They were $1.99 and I love them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see next. I will be posting weekly on Thursdays and some Sundays, but again, let me know specifically what you want, and it may be something that I feature here on YouTube. I'll also list my courses as well as my free membership in the description bar below, just so you can check it out and see if that's something that you're interested in. And with that being said, I guess we are done. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.